That's a good sign. That's how they should look. Right over the freeway, everybody to see. Look at us. Where are we?
Indiana.
Wow. After Chicago, we found out that there's a national park between here and Acadia National Park called Indiana Dunes. We'll see how it compares to White Sands. Is it?
I think it's a headquarters.
Really? For what?
Maybe weed things?
That's a good guess. It's the thought that counts. Look at my friend.
Look at his
Stinky boy. Hey! Hey! Get back in the water! Yeah, vlog. Put him back where he belongs. Where are we going for lunch, Nina?
James.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Take it. Lady.
Give it to me. I got one.
Who are you calling? Just
Sorry, I just didn't know what I was doing. Thank you.
Did you make friends?
Not really.
Here, I can take the ticket.
Yeah, you want to read it? Because they're going all the way to Cleveland.
Really? Mishawaka. Wow, I am good.
Time for a shower. Do you love it?
Where'd the tongue go?
Started to notice that if National Park doesn't charge an entrance fee, it means it's going to be a bad one. And by bad, just not exciting because no one would pay. Let me in.
They're not gonna. Look how big it is. Can you climb it?
No, they did a good job blocking it off there.
It's built to keep little Nina's out.
Hurry!
Oh, I feel like I can live in here. I can't. I'm not gonna make it. I made it. Just be funny. We gotta show the people. I made it. Oh shit! It was not ready.
Sorry.
It was not ready.
Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna collapse you. This happens pretty much every hike we go on. He sees a chipmunk or a bird, I don't know, an interesting bug, and has to stop.
I've never filmed bugs.
And get an up-close shot of the little creature.
There he is. Oh, he had a hole right there. I just try and give the people what they want. Is that so wrong?